764 Adam, we're pulling up.
That's 64 Adam.
On the car! 64 Adam, he's backing up, back towards Chicago.
It's March 9th. A man wanted for shooting someone is behind the wheel of a Mercedes, running from police through the streets of Chicago. Body cam, dash cam, and bus footage all catch what happens next, and none of them tell the full story alone. Stay till the end because this one gets intense fast.
He's going to be going westbound on Chicago from home. Currently stuck by a bus facing Chicago. Get the fuck car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
This isn't a routine traffic stop. Jordan already shot someone and hit another person with his car trying to get away. Officers are right behind him, tracking every turn in real time. Chicago Avenue, then north on Trumbull, weaving through alleys, until he runs out of road, boxed in by a bus. That's the moment it all comes to a head.
Chicago employment, last one location. Get out of the car! Fucking you! Get out! 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 Don't let him out! Don't let him out! Hey, move your car up! Move your car up! Get the car! Get the car! What? He's ramming the cars! He's ramming the cars! Get one! Shots fired! Shots fired! 10-1! 10-1! 10-1! 10-1! 10-1! Move back! Watch out, buddy! Watch out! Bring the window!
The second the car stops moving, officers are on it from every side, guns drawn, screaming for Jordan to get out. Then it happens fast. Shots fired. You can hear officers yelling for cover, calling for EMS, trying to get control of the scene. By the time it's over, 3 officers are hurt, and Jordan is down.
Just get EMS.
Give me. Hey, glove up. Hey, glove up.
Hey, so you're going away? Where's your car? Here, right here. This one yours? Yeah. Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Right here. Yeah. No, hey, no. Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Look, stay. It's on. I know. Relax. Take a breath. Breathe. Breathe. Hey. Okay.
Hey, you got a med pack? Med pack!
This is shot. Once in the head.
Hey, just watch your head.
Yeah, one in the head.
Stay here for anybody. On scene only.
This one to the leg. I'm gonna get fucking tourniquet.
11 caps on you.
No, bro. This is nothing. No more.
Yeah, okay, no,
This one on the leg.
Hey, I'm out. No one's coming.
There's no chest wounds, right?
Yeah, bro. This is not, bro.
11 10 advisory on scene.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Bro, this one.
I'm on scene right now.
You're right. I can't do it.
No, that's it, bro. Just take it out. There's no point.
And for the units out there, who is shot? Is that the offender or is it an officer? Offender. 10-4, thank you.
Just make, just six.
Couldn't copy. Say it again.
Hey, whose car is this? Whose car is this? Walter, is this your car? Where are the keys?
Right here.
Javi! Hey, Matt, am I getting him out? Back up, back up.
What do you need?
11 can advise when you're on scene, please.
I'm on scene right now.
And for the units out there, who was shot? Is that the offender or is it an officer?
Back up. Out of the street right now. Back up. Back up. Back up. I'm not going to tell you again. Back up. Get out of the street. Get out. I didn't touch you. Did I touch you? Get out the street, man.
Couldn't copy. Say it again.
What happened?
Hit by that car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stay here. I'll get someone over to you, all right?
We want nothing north of 13.
Someone hit over here?
No.
No more when we get some.
Javi. Hey, are you good? Are you okay?
I'm good.
Jesus Christ.
I want to get him out of here.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Cole, now get out of here. Call your supervisor. Hey, move back! Who's going to call?
Leave all that there, bro. Make sure you never have your camera that you got money right there.
Yeah.
You know,
Switch it up?
yeah, no.
You guys gonna switch it up?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Hey, whatever's in his pocket, leave it in his pocket. Yeah, I know. On the floor, just put it in the car, bro. I got another one right here. You want me? I got a tourniquet. I got a tourniquet right here. I'm going as high as I can, man. Where's the ambulance? They're coming.
1100 X-ray.
Yeah, you got it? I got it. You got it?
Go ahead and get these buses shut down. We don't want nothing south of Skyway. We want nothing north of Ferdinand or by 68. You know how to get some.
I got a tourniquet right here, bro. Is this high as it goes? Remember, it's too late, bro. I already put a tourniquet on him.
Let the ambo in. Hey, the ambo's here. It's over in the corner.
The ambulance here. Whoever's tourniquet that is, they don't need to know, bro. Just slice it on. Is his? Fine, yeah. All right, cool. Keep going, bro. Keep going.
The man behind the wheel was Derek Jordan, 42, a shooting suspect who was armed and using his Mercedes as a weapon to escape. Before officers ever caught up to him, Jordan had already shot someone. As he tried to flee, he struck another person with the car. It wasn't until he got boxed in by a CTA bus that officers finally caught up to him. And that's when everything you just watched happened. Jordan was shot in the confrontation and pronounced dead early the next morning. 3 officers were hurt trying to bring him in. This is what happens when a chase like this reaches its end.